Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside WhatsApp, open it and go straight to Settings, then Notifications. You do this because notifications sound lives there. Once in Notifications, you'll see Message and Group sections. Those are the controls you need. Make sure system-level notifications aren't blocked first, because changing WhatsApp won't help if Android or iPhone has app alerts disabled. Now that you're in the right screen, proceed to change the actual tones so messages stop making noise. You now change the specific sound settings. Tap Message Notifications and pick Notification Tone, then select None or Silent. This removes the alert sound for individual messages. Next, do the same for group notifications so group chats stop pinging you. If you want finer control, open a chat, tap Contact or Group Name, choose Custom Notifications, and disable sound there. This helps when you want global silence but audible alerts for a few people. Make sure to finish by testing. Send yourself or ask a friend to message and confirm you hear nothing. If you prefer temporary silence, open a chat and choose Mute for 8 hours, 1 week, or always instead of global tones. If you still hear notifications, make sure Do Not Disturb isn't overriding settings, and verify WhatsApp has notification permission in system settings. Restart the app or phone if needed. This solves most lingering sound issues. If not, recheck custom chat notifications for exceptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.